Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I want to show you how you can easily back up your entire website, your entire online shop, as long as you are using WordPress. It's very easy to make a backup of your website, to back up the complete database of your website, and also the complete file system of your entire website. So it's very important because when you are dealing with a larger website or a larger online store, then something can break all the time, or maybe you get an virus on your server, or your website get hacked or get compromised, and so on and so forth. So it's very important to make a backup, and you can of course do it manually by copying all the files from your server to your local computer. And we have the opinion that it's better if you do it automatically, so you don't have to worry about logging into your server or using your FTP program and copying all the files. There are some really good programs out there that automate this process, so you change the settings to the desired interval of the backup, and then WordPress will do it automatically for you, and you don't have to worry about anything. You only have to install this backup plugin, and it's really easy and really straightforward even to set it up. And then you choose a source where you place all the files. Maybe it's a Google account, or maybe it's a Dropbox account, or even an FTP server account. This I want to show you in this video. It's really easy, and let's get started. Let's get into the WordPress backend. So, okay, now we are back on our sample page here. Sample WordPress installation. To install it, the plugin, we have to go on the left side here to plugins, and you have to go to add new plugin. Then you have you can see the search bar here. Go to the search bar and type in UpdraftPlus. Now he's searching, and there we have it, UpdraftPlus. It's completely free, and I already have it installed, so I have to click activate. If you don't have the installation right now, then you see this install now button here, and click on install now, and then the plugin will get installed. And after the installation is finished, you can see the activate button. Then of course click on activate, and the plugin gets activated. And as soon as the plugin is activated, we can see here a little screen, a little welcome screen, but for now we close the screen. So we have our Updraft plugin here, and also we have this on the top here, UpdraftPlus. So we go to the top here, and then we go to settings, and here we can make some changes. So here you can see the file backup schedule is right now it's on manually, so I could manually initiate the backup process, or I can click here and do an automatic backup process. So I can choose daily, weekly, fortnightly, or monthly. So for the files, for the completely file system, I choose weekly, and now the plugin will do a weekly backup, and we want to keep 2 complete backups. That's good, that's enough. So 2 complete backups. It depends on the size of your website. It's if you're running a really large website, then the database gets more and more bigger, and but 2 is enough. And here's the database. Right now it's in manually. The database is changing a little bit more often, so we can do a daily backup, an automatically daily backup. And the database is not that big, so we can set it to 10, that we always keep 10 backups. So we have the last 10 days. And when the 10th backup is reached, then the last backup will delete it and or overwritten by the new one. The same goes here. The last will delete it or overwritten by the new backup if the 2 threshold is reached. Okay, that's good. Now we can go down and click on save. Now it's saved, and now you have some options where you want to save the files. You can use the Updraft Vault. It's not free; you have to pay for it. I think it's $10 a month for this vault, or you can use your free Dropbox account. You can use Amazon account, Rackspace. I don't even know what this is. Or you can use your free Google Drive or your free Microsoft OneDrive, or an FTP and Azure, and so on and so on. It always depends on your personal situation, which service you are familiar with. I think every one of us has at least a Google account, so every Google account has a free Google Drive. Or let's say you click on Google Drive. Then it asks you another pop-up will appear, and it asks you to log in with your Google data, and it's really easy. You have to click OK and tell the plugin that you want to save it, and tell Google that you allow the plugin to write files to your Google Drive. So it's really easy. I think you have to 2 to 4 times you have to click on OK, and then it's set up. And yeah, that's everything you have to do. After that, you have to click on save, and everything is saved. And then the automatic backups will start. And when you click on backup and restore, now you can see the next backup for me is scheduled here, and the database backup is scheduled as well. So, or I can click on backup now and do a manual backup. After after the system had taken some backups, some snapshots of your database and your file system, then they will appear here. And let's say something happened to your website, then you can, then here is another button that says restore. Then you simply click on restore, and then the system will recover the snapshot of your complete system, of your complete website or web store. It's super easy, and you have the you can also download all the files and the database to your local machine, to your PC, and save it there, or send it to another person or something like this. So this plugin, like I said, it's completely free, and it's one of the best backup plugins out there. It's really simple to use, and it functions really well. And there are not much settings you have to take care of. Only go to settings, choose the frequency of the backups, weekly, daily, and choose the threshold of the files here. Yeah, and the other things is you can clone website, but I think this is this is a paid version. Paid extension and advanced tools. You can see some details, but you don't have to bother with this. And premium, there are other extensions you can buy, but the backup, it's the free version is everything you need. So simply make this changes here weekly and daily, 2 and 10, and then choose your desired service. And that's it. Yeah, and that's it for this video. Now you know how to back up your website and take care of your file system and always be on the safe side. And so yeah, if you like this video, then please give me a thumbs up, or maybe you press the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And yeah, see you next time.